Introducing the new StageRight SB100 100-watt all-tube guitar head. This is a two-channel design with independent volume and EQ in both your clean and your overdrive. Unlike most other two-channel amplifiers, which share the same EQ and volume, StageRight SB tube amps feature independent controls that will allow you to dial in the exact clean and distortion tones without any kind of compromise. There's also a bright switch on the clean channel that gives you that extra sparkle when you need it. There's two inputs. There's a low and a high, rounding out a plethora of possibilities that make SB amps truly versatile and above their class. Now the StageRight SB100 all-tube guitar head is driven by 6L6 power tubes. If you're not familiar with 6L6s, they're known as some of the most versatile and well-balanced power tubes available. These tubes have been used in some of the most iconic guitar amplifiers of the 20th century. That's exactly what drives 100 watts of the output on a StageRight SB amp. 6L6s deliver a really tight mid-range, big punchy lows, and a really chimey top end. The StageRight SB amps are capable of producing pristine cleans and high gain metal tones, all with the same ample headroom. Now on top of the power and tone and independent channel controls, SBs feature onboard reverb and an effects loop. So you can now run all your external effects and multi-effects right through the return and the send. In power and affordability, the StageRight SB tube guitar amplifiers deliver the goods.